Hello, I'm Paul Mischel. I'm a physician scientist here at Stanford University, and my lab made a discovery about what causes some of the most aggressive forms of cancer, and it has to do with circular pieces of DNA. Walk with me, and I'll show you a little bit about it.
How would you explain your research to a middle schooler?
When we think about genes and how they're inherited, we think about chromosomes. Chromosomes make sure that every cell in the body gets the same DNA. What we discovered was that in some of the most aggressive kinds of cancer, the cancer-causing genes have jumped off chromosomes onto circular pieces of DNA, and they stop playing by all of the rules. That is, they allow the cancers to change so quickly to defeat all of the therapies so that patients don't do well. We've been studying this and really figuring out what goes wrong and what makes them vulnerable. And has now catalyzed, I think, a revolution in thinking about what can cause cancer and potentially how to treat it.
What did you want to be when you were a kid?
I wanted to be an astronaut until I was about 14, and then I wanted to be a doctor who does cancer research.
What inspired you to pursue this field?
It was very personal. I lost my father to cancer when I was 14, and I promised myself I wanted to make a difference for people with cancer, and that's what I'm doing.
What was your first job?
My first job was as a janitor in the junior high in which I attended.
If you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would it be?
Don't worry so much. Want to come in the lab?
Favorite lab tool or piece of equipment?
The microscope. Nature speaks in shapes, not letters. And so to me, things that are visual, like advanced microscopes, I find beautiful.
What did you get your first research funding for?
I got my first research funding studying how the nervous system develops. I went to a very famous scientist. When I was 34 years old, I had actually zero experience in science. I had never even pipetted, but I knew that I wanted to become a scientist, so I went to his lab, and he was a fantastic mentor.
Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee for sure.
Mountains or beach?
Both.
Sunrise or sunset?
Both, but prefer sunset.
Phone call, email, or text?
Oh, for sure, phone call. I like talking with people.
Your favorite snack?
Fruit.
What's your go-to comfort meal?
A baguette, cheese, green salad, and a glass of red wine.
What's one piece of advice you'd give to someone pursuing science or medicine?
Understand that you are entering something that is vitally important and that it's a privilege to be part of it. Treasure it, value it, and recognize what it means to be contributing in that way.